What was that? No. That's not the line. Okay, welcome back to Mommy's show.
Welcome back to Mommy's show.
Alright, that'll do. Alright guys, so today is a little bit of mommy and me time. Can you back up some? Personal space, thanks. So today, we're gonna do some face masks, but not any normal face mask. Animal face mask. What animal is that, Shy?
It's lion.
That's a tiger.
That's a tiger.
Clearly. But I got these from Five Below. Is it 5 and Below or 5 Below?
5 Below.
Okay, because you know more than me. 5 Below. They say they're kid friendly. So we're just gonna go with it. It looks like we're gonna ouch! How can I do this if you're going to attack me though? I'm serious here. Okay?
Okay.
Jesus. So you hold yours. Alright. It's a tiger. That's a tiger, right? Yeah, a tiger moisturizing sheet mask. It contains soybean, mushroom, and witch hazel. I'm not really feeling that mushroom.
I'm saying it. It's mushrooms, it's giraffes, and animals is raw. Oh, my mommy told me to.
So, as you know, she's only 3. I'm gonna help her out with hers, and then I'm gonna do mine. All right. So let's open yours. Ooh! Did you just fart? You
Yeah.
stink.
Yeah, stay home.
It smells like witch hazel. Alright, let's put it on your face. Come sit right here.
Okay.
This is gonna be a project. You want mommy to do it first?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm doing it. What is that? It's you? Let me see it, Mommy.
Ooh. Cheyenne, are you ready to put yours on?
Yeah.
Okay. Mm. Oh, boogie.
No, that one, Mommy. I can't want that one, Mommy.
Alright, so it's kind of covering her mouth, so I just like ripped it open. Oh yes, tigerific. Show the camera. Rare. Say rare.
Rat.
Rare.
Rat.
Rare. What does the kitty say?
Let's see.
Look at the camera and say, what does the kitty say? Alright, well, we'll be back in 10-20 minutes. As you can see, our faces are clear and shiny, and it feels good. I mean, it's not like top grade face mask. It's more for like fun. I mean, feels fine to me. How's your face feel?
Scary.
It feels what?
Scary.
Your face feels scary. Okay. She's still on this Halloween kick. Whatever. Feel your face. Does it feel good? Give my cellular device. Oh! Well, That ends. You're gonna paralyze me. Well, that ends mommy and me time. I gotta go put a 3-year-old to bed. Pray for me. Peace. Also, guys, before you leave, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like or comment, and also don't forget to press the notification button for more fun. See you later.